Hi, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with one more interesting video of the best out of waste. Due to the lockdown, the most of the thing what we have done is lot of cleaning in the house. And during cleaning the house, we have discarded lot of things. And the things which we have discarded the most are, I think, the CDs, right? We have thrown them away. I'm sure after watching this video, you will not have the heart to throw away those CDs. So today's craft is based on CDs. We are going to use this kind of CDs and make beautiful craft. I hope you will like it. So let's begin the craft. So I'm taking CDs like this and I'm going to use the wedding invitation to make the candle stand today. Okay. So I'm taking this kind of two pieces of wedding invitation card and I'm taking two CDs like this and I'm going to stick one on top of the other like this. I'll put little glue gun, and then I'm going to stick two CDs like this. So these two are stuck well, and I think I'll have to cover this hole so that the things doesn't fall down. So I'm taking this small piece of flower like this which I've cut out of invitation, and I'm going to put this around and I'm going to stick it like this so that I'm able to cover the hole as well. And now I'm going to stick this two pieces of invitation card like this. Okay, it's nicely stuck. Right, so this is going to be the base for the candle stand. So slowly I'll start applying glue gun on the edges of the CD like this. Okay, and I will start sticking on the edge of the card like this. Please put little glue gun because it gets dried off very fast. So just put little and stick. So I'm putting little like this and turning the CD like this and sticking it like this. Again I'm putting the gun here. And then again I'm turning it like this. And then again I'm rolling it like this. I'm just going to cut off this extra part. Okay. And again I put little glue gun here and join both the sides like this. So like this I have stuck and made a pen stand. Now we have to start the beautification process, for which I am going to use this kind of lace which I have removed from my old sari. The saris which I am not using now, I have removed it from the sari and I am going to use this to beautify our pen stand. So here I am applying the glue gun and I am going to stick this lace part by part. So if the kids want to do this kind of thing with the glue gun, parents kindly accompany them because the glue gun is quite hot. So to avoid any kind of accidents, please give them the supervision while they are doing this kind of thing. So slowly I'm applying bit by bit, little bit of glue gun, and I'm sticking this kind of lace. Okay, so I'm almost done. So I'm going to stick it like this and I'm going to cut off the extra part. Okay. And in the end I'm going to put a little glue gun and stick it like this. So I'm done with the base. Just press it gently like this to ensure that it is stuck properly, okay? Now I'm going to put the glue gun on top. And I'm going to stick the lace like this. Okay? It's getting very sticky. So little bit I'm applying and I'm sticking it like this. Yeah. Almost done. So you can cut off this extra part. And stick it here. Okay. So I'm done with this beautiful piece of stand, which you can use it for various purposes like keeping your combs, keeping your pens or anything that you want to. And to further beautify this, I'm going to stick this beautiful mirrors like this. So for that, I just put little bit glue everywhere. And I'm going to stick this mirrors like this so that it looks even more beautiful. And now this one looks like this. Isn't this pretty? Right. So I'm going to teach you one more thing which we can make with the CD. Now I'm going to cut this CD into half like this using a scissor. It's very easy to cut. You just need to be a little careful. So I'm going to cut this into half. Right? So I'm done with this too. And now I'm going to stick a color paper. It's again a invitation wedding card which I'm going to use to stick it on this CD. So I'm just putting the glue gun here and sticking it here. Again I'm putting the glue gun here on top of this one and sticking it here. Okay, I have taken 2 more CDs like this and I have already stuck the red color paper like this. Now I'm going to stick this 2 CD slightly one on top of the other. So I'm going to put a glue gun on this CD and I'm going to stick this CD like this. Okay, right, so I've stuck it. Now I'm going to cut this off. Like this. These are all very fun things to do, and these simple things which we think are of no use can help us to beautify our homes and enhances our creativity, and these things are very useful for gifting purpose as well. You can make a lot of personalized gifts for your near and dear ones, your friends, and you can gift them because handmade things are always valued. And people generally like, handmade things. So you can try things like this and give to your friends. So I have cut them like this. Now I'm going to put the glue here. I'm going to put the glue here and stick it like this. Right in the center. Press it like this so that it gets stuck properly. Okay. I'm going to take another piece put the glue gun and stick it like this, right in the center. Holding it for a minute so that it gets stuck nicely. And now it looks like this. So behind I am going to stick this double-sided tape. You can stick it on your wall and you can keep your things like keys or anything like that on top of it, and you can stick it on the wall. It looks very pretty like this, isn't it? So, and one more thing I have made out of the CDs is this basket. The same way like how we did this one. I have stuck the lace all over and I have put some mirrors. I'm using it to keep my jewelry like this. You can keep whatever things you want to make like this. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope you like the things that we made out of the series, and I'm sure you will make them soon. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon again. Bye.